In this video, I'm going to show you how to make that popular face effect you've seen in thumbnails from big creators like MrBeast. Now, this isn't a beginner-level tutorial, so make sure you already know the basics of Photoshop before jumping in. And if you're a YouTuber trying to boost your click-through rate, I also offer custom, high-quality, eye-catching thumbnails. You'll find the link to my Fiverr in the description and pinned comment. Let's get started. I've added a PNG photo for you. You'll find it in the description. Step 1. Clean up the face. Start by opening it in Photoshop. Now, make a new layer and select the Spot Healing Brush tool. Paint over any wrinkles or spots you want to remove. Once you're done, duplicate the entire group and convert it into a smart object. Then, put it in a new group. Step 2. Add texture and sharpness. Select the Smart Object layer, go to the Filter menu, and choose Camera Raw Filter. Increase the texture, clarity, and sharpening. Now, select the filter mask and press Ctrl+I to invert it. Make sure white is your foreground color, and start painting over the hair, eyebrows, eyes, beard, and mouth, areas where you want extra detail. Next, duplicate the layer and remove the filter from the new copy. Go back into Camera Raw Filter. Head to the Details tab and reduce the noise reduction. Invert the mask and paint only on the skin areas. Now, select both layers and convert them into a new smart object. If you're enjoying the video so far, don't forget to leave a like, it helps a lot. Step 3. Fix hair color. To remove the blue tint in the hair, create a new layer and change the blend mode to color. Pick a natural hair color and paint over the blue areas. Step 4. Whiten teeth and eyes. Create a hue/saturation adjustment layer and clip it to the base layer. Lower the saturation, then invert the mask. Paint over the teeth to whiten them. Repeat the same steps for the whites of the eyes. You can also adjust the lighting slightly if needed. Step 5. Change eye color. Add another hue/saturation layer and check the colorize box. Pick a blue color. Then adjust the saturation and lightness. Invert the mask and paint over the eyes. Now, open the blending options and split the left and right sliders just a little to make the eye color blend more realistically. Don't overdo it, subtle is better here. Step 6. Adjust the skin tone. Create a color balance adjustment layer and clip it to the face. Adjust the tones to give the skin a slightly warmer, reddish look. Step 7. Dodge and burn. I've made a separate video all about dodge and burn. The link is in the description. Just adjust the opacity to your liking and tweak the mask feather to create a softer effect. Step 8. Brighten the image. Create a new exposure layer and slightly increase the exposure for a more polished look. Step 9. Add rim light. Select your main layer and go to blending options. Enable inner shadow. Change the blend mode to color dodge. Adjust the opacity, angle, distance, and size until you get the rim light effect you want, and pick a green color. Then right-click the effect and choose Create Layer, so you can fine-tune it later if needed. Step 10. Final look with color grading. Create a color lookup layer above your dodge and burn layers. Choose the Foggy Night preset, set the blend mode to luminosity, and lower the opacity to around 35%. This step is optional. You can go back to the rim light's blending options and fade it out slightly from darker areas if needed. And that's it. Here's the before and after. And don't forget to check out my Fiverr link in the description. Thanks for watching.